In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fully customize the always on display on your Vivo mobile and share a few important settings you should know before turning it on. The always on display is a fantastic feature, especially for AMOLED screens, allowing you to see essential information without even touching your phone. First, head into your settings, scroll down and tap on lock screen and wallpaper. Here, you will find the always on display option. Let's enable it with just a tap. Now, to give it your personal touch, tap on styles. Vivo offers some great preloaded designs, but if you want more, simply hit the download button at the top right and explore even more options. Go back and you will see the display mode option. This lets you schedule when the always on display is active. Set it for specific times or keep it running all day long. It's totally up to you. Another handy feature is the ability to choose which notifications show up on your always on display. While not every app is supported, you can manage notifications for selected social media apps, messages, and calls. And there you have it, an easy way to make your Vivo phones always on display truly yours. Be sure to check out my full playlist on more Vivo tips and tricks and other mobile settings.